Brought to you by JEGS.
Dave Zamp with Zamp Racing. I'm here to go over the RZ-56 Air and RZ-56. The RZ-56 has a fiberglass shell, a very well-balanced shell, so it feels excellent on your head. Lightweight, plush interior. It uses our Z20 series shield. So the Z20 series shields, Z20 visors, and all the accessories that are related to the Z20s. The nice thing about the RZ-56 is you have some attachments you can add. We have it currently with the plugs, but you can put an air scoop on the top to pull some natural air, or the RZ-56 Air comes with a top air. So basically you're going to bolt on a top air. It's got the round top air inlet, so it'll get some nice forced air inflow to the helmet. It does have the inserts for all head neck restraints. All SA2020 helmets will have inserts in there for all head neck restraint companies. The 56 is SA2020 approved. We believe it's the best value on the market. So the standard RZ-56 is going to be $194.95, and the Air version will be $214.95. We believe, again, the best value for the market for an entry-level driver that's just getting into the sport. It will come in a gloss black and a gloss white. On the RZ-56, there is no vent holes on the chin bar, so it is good for dirt racing.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.